Tere, hello, my name is Dewi. I'm from Indonesia and I am representative of Indonesian Student Association in Estonia. We have the mission. The first one is to accommodate the academic and non-academic activities the student of Indonesia here in Estonia. Our second mission for Estonia is to promote Estonian education system for Indonesian citizens so they can come to Estonia and they can study more in Estonia. In every month we have activities. One of them are always eating and cooking because we love to eat Indonesian food and we are always to love chat with Indonesian, our language. You can find us here in the Tallinn University of Technology, Tallinn University, Tartu University, and also in internet. If you would like to come to us, we are very welcome. Then we can talk in English or we can talk in Estonian. We would like to learn Estonian from you. Tere tulemast, welcome. Selamat datang in Association Student of Indonesia in Estonia.